Thank you, Mendy, and I'm really happy to be here once again. Thank you, everyone, for coming on board. Thank you for Expert Agile Club. I was here the last time where we discussed about OKR, and from what I got, the feedback and the response was really great. I want to appreciate everybody. But today, we're moving on. I've not come alone today. I've come with my team because we want it to be a practical section where we discuss on how to estimate stories. My committee of practice is called Greater Agile, and that's where we meet and help each other, and then we assist each other to grow. So that's part of my team that I'm bringing here today. So it's not all about me, just with my team. That's Team Greater Agile. So welcome everybody. Here we go. So it's just going to be a little bit of explanation, and I want to make some certain assumption here. Though I'll go a little bit granular. I want to assure at least that most of us will have experience of either Jira or Azure DevOps, and maybe working within team, or we've heard about teams. So I'll just take that assumption. I hope everyone can see my screen. I can confirm that.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Right, so here we go. So basically, we're discussing about estimation today, and it's we're using planning forecast, and estimation comes mainly at the tail end of the sprint planning for most teams. So though it could be different in some other team, but all teams I've worked with, that's how it's done. The sprint planning, which is divided into three: the why, the what, and the how. The why is supposedly where we bring the sprint goal, and the product owner tells, "Oh, okay, this is the sprint goal." Having gone through the backlog, we've gone refinement. It's even done every day or every time the product owner and the scrum master have a little time. They just continue to look at the product backlog to make sure it's up to date, it's refined, and then there's a general sprint backlog refinement, which is not readily stipulated in the Scrum guide, but it's very, very necessary so that everyone on the team understands what we are talking about. So that's why why this sprint viable? Why is it viable? What are we building in this sprint? Then the what is, what are the items that we are running to achieve this sprint goal? What are the associated items? For example, if we're developing a landing page, what are the stories that have been developed around that will make us to achieve that sprint goal of developing a landing page? So the stories have been worked on, and they've made, supposedly the team has a definition of ready. So we look at that, and then our items make definition of ready. Then the how is what we're going to talk about today, which is the later part of the sprint planning, which is the estimation. So how are we going to get this done? What is going to be the tools that we need, and the capacity, and everything that we need to get it done. So, and then that's estimation. Estimation is just like employing or asking for the wisdom of a team, and in this case, a Scrum team, to triangulate on an estimation for a work item by triangulation, that means we all want to come together and have a sort of an agreement based on the knowledge of what we are working on. So everyone wants to come together, especially the developers, while the Scrum Master facilitate the developers, the PO, the product owner, and helps to explain what the stories are all about, and then the developers who are going to actively work on the story will go on to do the estimate with the guidance of the Scrum Master and the PO.